What's up, folks? All you guys know that YouTube is a money mine. Today I'm going to teach you how you can create YouTube Shorts channel and make decent amount of money while you are sleeping, only using AI tools. With this method, you can make stupidly large amounts of YouTube Shorts within few minutes. Just look at this YouTube channel. This channel completely run only from YouTube Shorts. According to Social Blades, this channel is making at least $2,000 a month. And also look at this one. According to Social Blades, this one making it anywhere between 1.6 to 25.6 grand a month. Easy, huh? As you know, you need at least 1,000 subs, 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million YouTube Shorts views to enable YouTube monetization. But with the crazy reach advantage with YouTube Shorts, you can achieve this within weeks. Alright, enough talking, let's go to work. Before that, don't forget to like this video and smash that subscribe button. Yes, I'm telling you, smash it hard. Because trust me, this channel will make you a wealthy boy in next couple of months. Okay, let's start. Today I'm going to create motivational YouTube channel. First of all, we need a name for our new channel. How to find it? It's super easy. Let's get help from our good old AI boy, ChatGPT. It will make name and all the content for us. Let's get head on to ChatGPT. I will tell ChatGPT to suggest me best and unique names for Motivational Shorts YouTube channel. Here we go, easy like cake. Alright, I will choose this one for my channel. Next step is channel branding. For that, first I need display photo for my channel. Don't worry, we have another amazing AI for that. You can use Leonardo.ai or iTubo.ai for that. Then we need to generate channel art. Of course, we can use our good old friend Canva for that. Go straight to Canva and search YouTube channel art on the search bar. There are thousands of templates we can choose. Then select the one we like and edit it. It's that easy. Then we can upload our display photo and channel art to our brand new YouTube channel. Here we go. Channel setup is complete. Now is the part that you waited. How to create bulks of shorts. To do that, I will use ChatGPT to produce the script and Canva to produce videos. Let's go and start create our contents. Just simply go to ChatGPT and use this prompt to create the first 50 facts we need. I will add it in the description. You can use it too. Here we go! Easy like cake, huh? If you want another 50, type this. Easy boy. You can create as many as you want like this. Then we need to create our videos. For that, go to Canva and search YouTube Shorts. You can find thousands of templates. Just select anything you want. Then remove all the unnecessary text and replace the background with something you like. And I changed video duration for 6 seconds. Then we need to add text for our video. And rename it as a topic. And I will change the font and add background color for the topic. Then duplicate it and rename it as Part 1. For this, I will remove the background color and add text outline for better visibility. Then duplicate Part 1 and rename it as Part 2. Then we need to change the timing of the text. To do that, simply right-click on the text and click on Show Timing. I will choose 3.5 seconds for Part 1 and 2.4 seconds for Part 2. From doing that, people will need to watch twice for our video to read Part 2. It will increase our video engagement. Then we need to add background music for our video. To do that, simply go to YouTube Music Library, then download the one you like and upload it to Canva. It's that easy. Then go to Bulk Create and click on Enter Data Manually. Then we need to go to ChatGPT and copy the table we created and paste it here. And click Done. Then right-click on the text and click on the Connect Data. Then select the right one for each text. Then click Continue and then click on the Generate all 46 pages. Whatever reason, I only got 46 pages, but it's no big deal. As you can see, it created all the pages according to our data. But you can see all of our background is same. So I'm going to change it with some random backgrounds. Simply search sunset and insert some random video, then right-click on it and click on Replace Background. Then change the time to 6 seconds. Just do it for all. Then we need to right-click on our audio track and then click Duplicate Audio to cover all of our videos. Here we go. All of our Shorts videos are ready to download. Now you have to click on Share. Then select Download Pages as separate files. Then click on the Download button. Now all of your files will be downloaded as a zip file. Then you can simply extract it and upload your videos to YouTube. Then you can go to your YouTube dashboard, then click on Create. Select Files. You can upload one by one manually or upload all and schedule it to publish 5 videos per day. You can simply use ChatGPT to create titles, description, and hashtags. Just simply command, create SEO-friendly title, description, and hashtags and tags for these topics. Here we go. Easy like cake. You can simply copy and paste this to your videos. Alright, now your brand new Faceless YouTube channel is ready. Now you can create videos like this as many as possible and upload it to your channel and earn. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to see more money-making videos like this. And I'm out. See you in the next video.